We have already started the theme of Goa beyond beaches, and as we travel to the hinterland and we start talking about our ecosystem in the hinterlands areas, in ecotourism and other areas, it is very important to take our festivities to the next level. We have only been talking about Shigmo and Carnival, so as we take those to the next level, we do need to ensure that festivals which mean a lot to Goa. São João is a celebration of it's a feast which is celebrated. Similarly, Chikal Kalo. So all communities coming together, irrespective of religion, caste, creed, in Goa has been the theme. We go in each other's house for Diwali, Christmas, Eid. And similarly, festivities, we expect everybody to come together and have this sense of togetherness. And for the domestic and international tourists coming in, as we market it, we expect them to come and enjoy Goa to the fullest, to what Goa has as its own culture and tradition. São João this time, Rajesh has been very instrumental in getting into Old Goa. And we are also exploring of putting every festival in different locations of Goa. That allows people of different areas to come, from domestic and international tourists, to explore Goa in its best. We have done food and cultural festival in Mandre. Every time it is to be in one area, one city. So we have taken that to Mandre. We took the Spirit Festival to Kolwa. We did one festival in Porvorim. We did the Heritage Festival in Saligaon. And today we are in Old Goa with Rajesh, who has been instrumental in participating in getting these things organized as far as this São João is concerned. I take this opportunity to wish all our Goikar Bhavas morning a happy Viva São João, a day of celebration to come together and enjoy the festival in true spirit, in the right spirit, but being responsible and having a thought of being responsible and supporting the sustainable theme of tourism that Goa tourism is promoting.
एक खरें म्हणजे आमकां टुरिजम मिनिस्टराचे आनी आमच्या डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत मुख्यमंत्र्याचे आभार मानता काळजांतल्यान, कारण असो एक इव्हेंट तेंच्यांनी हांगा विवा सांजांव आमचो करून आयज दाखयता आमी. कारण एक मोठ्या लोकांनी मोठ्या संख्येन लोक येयल्ले आसा आनी खरोखरच हांव तेंचे कडेन रिक्वेस्टूय करपाचो आसा परत की एवरी इयर सांजांव हांगाच करचो, कारण बरो स्पॉट आहा आमकां. आमी धावजे हॅलिपॅडाचेर हो सांजांव आमी दवरलेलो आसा आनी तुमी पळयलां आसतलें कितले लोकूच सारके मोठ्या संख्येन लोक येता आनी आमी हर तरेचो अरेंजमेंट हांगा केल्लो. आमचे गोंयचे ट्रेडिशनल हांगा सगळे आमी दवरलेले आसा. त्याच बरोबर आमचे गोंयचे भुरगे डीजे म्हण तशेंच इंटरनॅशनल डीजे आनी फूल म्हणजे सकाळी 10 पासून रातचे 10 पर्यंत हो आमचो प्रोग्राम चलतलो. आनी हर तरेचे आमचे गांवठी कितें आसा पळय आमचे लोकल ट्रेडिशनल जे जेवण म्हण उकडें तांदळाचें जेवण हें सगळें हितून आसा. आनी हांव तेंचो सगळ्यांचो काळजांतल्यान देव बरें करूं म्हणटा, कारण मोठे तेंच्यांनी आमकां एक मोठो इव्हेंट करपाक हांगा आमच्या मतदारसंघान आमी मुद्दम तांकां आभार मानता की एक बरो इव्हेंट हांगा घडोवन हाडला.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.